Okay, gentlemen, we are expecting ASMOC 1 X-ray for arrival point. We are cleared after ASMOC expecting flight level 130 descending up to 20 mile inbound Bandar Abbas. Then we can descend flight level 110 up to 13 DME, and finally we can descend the altitude 3000 feet to overhead. Minimum sector altitude is 9,700 feet on north of the airport. On page 10 to July 2015. After leaving overhead initial approaches, we are expecting to approach ILS 12 runway 21 left for Bandar Abbas, 23 May 2014. Localizer is 109.9 and final approach course 206. Minimum decision height is 258. Airport elevation 22 feet. As you know, 9,700 minimum sector altitude at north of the airport. After leaving initial, we can descend on a radial 050 to 9 DME 2100, then make a left turn to intercept final course 206 for ILS approach. In case of enter the holding after leaving initial, we can enter the holding via offset entry, heading 200, 1 minute, then in right turn to holding area. Normally, after landing on a 2-1 left, we can proceed at the end of the runway, exit via Alpha, and backtrack 2-1 right, exit via Bravo or Charlie, which is available for us. It's conditional. Normally, we start to descend 115 mile to Bandar Abbas VOR. Minimum diversion fuel today is for first alternate Mehrabad Airport 19,000 about 200 kilo. We have enough fuel on board. We are commencing descend 1 minute later. 1 minute later.
Turn radar Mahan 1095 requesting descent.
Mahan 1095, descent to flight level 250.
Clear descent 250 Mahan 1095. Yes. Advise cabin for descent. Seatbelt on. Turn radar Mahan 1095, ADAP 300 descending to 50.
Roger, stand by.
Roger. Turn radar Mahan 1095, ADAP 270 descending to 50.
Mahan 1095, stand by. Mahan 1095, radio service terminated, contact destination Bandar 1242.
Roger, contact Bandar Abbas 1242, good day, thanks, Mahan 1094.
Flight level 240, coordinate 8646.
Iran 270, report position.
Passing initially 1 and 270.
Roger, 270, descent for 5, report establish left runway 21.
Establish ILFT 1R 270.
Bandar Abbas, good morning, Mahan 1095 heavy.
Good morning, Mahan 1095, Bandar Abbas.
Copy Echo 1016 out of 255 descending 250. Release by Tehran.
Mahan 095, information correct. Cleared for ILS 2 runway 21 left via Azimuth 1 X-ray. Standby for this.
Maintaining 250, standing by for descent via Azimuth 1 X-ray for ILS 21 left Mahan 1095.
Mahan 095 for information opposite static wind 722 about 15 miles ahead of you, flying flight level 240.
Roger, Mahan 1095, copy. Flaps selected 10. Flaps 10 green.
Speed check.
10,000 signs to cabin. QNH 1016. Approach checklist, please. 1016 set and cross checked.
1016 set and cross check.
1016 set and cross check. Inboard landing lights.
On.
Radio and instruments.
Set for approach timing.
Set for approach timing.
Radio altimeters.
Minimum set as a reference ILS to one left.
Set as a reference.
10,000.
Approach completed.
Thanks.
Leaving initial.
Mahan Air 1095, leaving initial approach fix.
Establish localizer runway 2 left.
Call back, establish localizer, 21 left, Mahan Air 1095.
Next altitude 2100 set.
Roger. Time check.
Flash. Gear down.
Landing gear down. Gear down in triggering, in gearing.
Flash. Check. Flap 20.
Flaps 20.
Check speed.
Flaps 20 green.
Flaps 25.
Flaps 25 green.
Final course 206.
Final course 206. 9
Turning.
199 and ILS set.
Roger.
Kilo super live.
Roger.
Radio altimeter alive.
Roger.
Okay, left turn heading 240.
Left turn heading 240.
Landing checklist down to final flaps.
Mahan 1095, position.
Turning inbound Mahan Air 1095. On. Turning green.
Mahan 1095, report position.
Turning inbound 7.5 miles. Runway side. Turning inbound runway side Mahan Air 1095.
Roger, Mahan 1095, contact tower 18.1.
180 Bango Day Mahan Air 1095. Left hand runway heading.
Set runway heading.
Bandar Abbas Tower, good morning, Mahan Air 1095, inbound runway side, ILS 21 left.
Good morning, Mahan Air 1095, runway 21 left, Lima clear to land, wind 160 degrees, 5 knots.
Clear to land, 21 left, Mahan Air 1095.
Mahan Air 1095, latest QNH 1017.
1017, Mahan Air 1095.
Continue checklist. Down to final flaps.
Flat ready.
Flaps selected 30. 30 green.
Flaps 30 green lights, hydro check normal, landing check is complete.
Thanks. We are clear to land, 21 left.
Roger.
$1,000.
Stabilized.
1,000.
$500.
Check.
500. 400.
Added about minimum runway side, clear to land.
Roger.
300. Minimums.
Landing.
200. 100. 50. 40. 30. 20. 10.
Yok. 80 knots. $60 knots.
1095, locate at the end, Alpha, backtrack 21 right, following inside.
At the end, Alpha, backtrack 21 right, following, even inside Mahan Air 10905. Right is clear.
After landing.
Roger.
Strobe lights off.
Strobe light off. Right is clear. Right is clear.
Here we are in Bandar Abbas, and welcome everybody to Bandar Abbas. And we are waiting for ground staff to take and to put the checks in, to release the brake, and to disembark the passengers. I'm waiting for ground staff now.